Good evening everyone, I am Dr. C Mariyal, Associate Professor, Department of Electronics, Communication and Engineering, PSN College of Engineering and Technology. Today I am going to discuss a topic on Artificial Intelligence in Communication Engineering. These are the topics I am going to discuss in the presentation. The first one is challenges of telecommunication industry, AI's roles in telecommunication, what types of AI will help telco, modernization of telco legacy system, AI business cases in the telecommunication industry, artificial intelligence in 5G telecom. First, before entering into the topic, the artificial intelligence in 5G communication or artificial intelligence in communication engineering, first we are going to discuss about the challenges of the telecommunication industry. What are the challenges we are facing in the telecommunication industries? What is the need of AI in the telecommunication industry? Telecom industry faces today a number of challenges related to growing market and economic pressure. With millions of subscribers and growing number of telecom products, today's communication service providers have to invest a lot of effort and resource in the optimization of operational support service. As a result, the telecommunication sector expands its network at a rapid pace, service configuration, customer care, and the billing processing became more complex. These are some of the challenges of the telecommunication industries. So we are moving for the AI, that is for improving the challenges of the telecommunication industries, we are going to the artificial intelligence in the communication side. And facing increasing customer demands for high quality services, that is customer service providers continually seek useful innovation and applications to provide their customers with better customer experience and service. The CSP is communication service provider, is used to give some better customer experience and service. These are some of the challenges in telecommunication industries: optimization of the operational support service, customer demands, legacy system, challenges posed by 5G and IoT, security issues. By just having these challenges in the telecommunication industries, what is the solution to improve these challenges? And there is the solution of these challenges in the telecommunication industry that is artificial intelligence in communication side. This is the major challenge. Another major challenge for the telco industry is the advance of the newest wireless networks such as 5G, this is fifth generation wireless network, and IoT, this is Internet of Things, which leads to a massive generation of vast amount of data. This 5G and IoT, which needs a lot of vast amount of data to generate something. So as a result of this rapid growth of IoT, a lot of new devices emerge on the market, which on one hand contributes to the market growth, while on the other hand brings a new challenges in terms of security. By just introducing this IoT with the new devices, the security is the main problem with the new devices emerges in the market for the IoT. As many IoT devices are at risk for malware carrying applications, fraud prevention has now become the main priority of the telecommunication industries. In order to protect personal data collected from IoT devices, telco providers need to consider opportunities that emerging technologies are offering. For the IoT device, we are having more number of new devices, and from these new devices, we are having the risk of malware carrying applications. So that is the fraud and prevention is just the main priority for the telecommunication industry. AI's role in the telecommunications. The key driver for AI growth in the telecom industry is an increasing demand for autonomously driven network solutions. The networks of the telecommunication industry expands at rapid pace, becoming more complex and difficult to manage. By using AI-powered network solution, communication service provider can have three improved versions. There are three important improvement in the telecommunications are reduced network congestion, improved network quality, enhancing the customer experience. By using the AI-powered network solutions, we can have the reduction of network congestions. And the next one is we have improved network quality, enhancing the customer's experience. Market Research Future predicts that by 2023, global AI in the telecommunication market will reach $1 billion with 32% of CAGR, that is annual, the annual during 2018 to 2023, there is 32% of improvement is there. AI is expected to have an impact in multitude of areas, the most important being traffic classification, anomaly detection and prediction, resource utilization, network optimization, network orchestration, also assist the mobile devices with virtual assistant and boards. And the traffic classifications, we can have the reduction of network congestion to clear the traffics. By use of reduction of network congestion, we can have the traffic classification. And the next one is anomaly detection and prediction is nothing but using machine learning algorithms to identify the unusual patterns or outliers within the communication data. And the next one is resource utilization and network optimization. And the next one is network orchestration. It is the process of using a network controller to automate the configuration, provisioning and management of network. How to automate the particular network, and how to configure it, and how to provisioning and how to manage the network. These are coming under the network orchestration. And we also have the assist the mobile devices with the virtual assistant and boards. These are the areas of AI impact in telco. The first one is traffic classification, anomaly detection and production. There is anomaly detection is nothing but unwanted network or within the communication range. The anomaly detection and prediction will be happen. Resource utilization and network optimization, and the network orchestration. These are the areas of AI that impact in telecom. Being an umbrella term, the umbrella term is being a wide range of applications. AI can be divided into different technology segments as machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, image processing, speech recognition. These are the various different technologies or various different method segments to be adopted in AI. However, for the role of telecommunications, central role of telecommunications industries, the machine learning, deep learning and natural language processing belongs to the telecommunication industry. These are the main three segments we are going to use in the telecommunication industries. And what types of AI will help telecom? And here we are going to discuss about what are the types of AI we have will help the telecommunication industry. The first one is machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, network optimization, virtual assistance, and the last one is robotic process automation. These are the technology we are going to use in telecom: machine learning, deep learning and natural processing. These three processes are coming under the telecommunication area. For machine learning, you are going to analyze the huge amount of data. For deep learning, you are going to classify the particular task. And for natural language processing, you are going to interpreting the human language. These three are the main important segments which are coming under the telecommunication industries. Machine learning. Machine learning is one of the subset of artificial intelligence. It focuses on a computer program that is able to parse data using specific algorithms. It focuses on a computer program to parse data using specific algorithms, and this program is able to modify itself without human intervention. This machine learning do not need any human intervention to modify the program, producing the desired output based on analyzed data. And the last one, using ML techniques, machine learning techniques, a machine is trained to analyze a huge amount of data and then learn to perform specific tasks. This is one of the subset of artificial intelligence. And the next one is deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. In this deep learning method, algorithms and techniques are similar to machine learning, but capabilities are not analogous. Only the algorithms or techniques are similar and the capabilities are not same. The main difference between the machine learning and deep learning lies in the interpretation of the data they feed on. Only the interpretation, how the data feed on. That is the difference between the machine learning and the deep learning. In deep learning, a computer system is trained to perform classification tasks directly from sounds, text or images by using a large amount of labeled data as well as neural network architectures. Just from in the machine learning, you are going to have some algorithms. With the help of some data, you are going to give a specific program, and there is no human intervention in the specific program. Here in deep learning, a computer is trained to perform a classification task directly from sounds or text or images by using a large amount of labeled data as well as a neural network architectures. This is the difference between the deep learning and the machine learning. Only the interpretation of data they feed on is different. The next one is natural language processing. It is a subfield of artificial intelligence. It focused on enabling computers to understand, interpret and manipulate human language. In this natural language processing, you are going to have some manipulating interpretation of human language. Here, the natural language processing allows machine to read text, hear sounds, interpret them and measure sentiments. This natural language processing is a subfield of AI. It only focused on how to interpret the human language or how to understand the human language or how to manipulate the human language. And this natural language processing is used to have this read text, hear sounds, interpret them and measure sentiments. And the next one is network optimization. With self-optimization networks, that is S1 SANs powered by AI, telecom providers can automatically improve network quality and as a result provide better quality service to their subscribers. By using advanced algorithms, AI system can process large amount of data, in particular call detailed record, that is CDR, in case of telecommunication industries, identify patterns, detect and predict network anomalies. This network optimization is used to help with the advanced algorithms for these different types of process. The first one is large amount of data. The second one is in particular cell call detailed record. In case of the telecommunication industry, identify patterns, detect and predict network anomalies. Virtual assistants. The next one is virtual assistants. To optimize the processing of the huge number of support requests for troubleshooting, billing inquiries, maintenance, device settings. These are coming under the virtual assistants. The virtual assistants will help in the troubleshooting, billing inquiries, maintenance and device settings. AI-powered assistants handle all service type questions and process transactions efficiently at high speed. Virtual assistants with AI helps the service type questions and process transaction efficiently at a high speed. The next one is robotic process automation. It is called as RPA. Configures computer software to capture data and manipulate application in the way it is done by humans. Here we are going to have the computer software. It is the computer software used to capture data and manipulate application in the way it is done by the humans. However, the human done the application the same way the computer software can capture the data and manipulate the applications. Telecom providers can automate back-end activities such as data entry, reconciliation, validation, streamline customer support, perform cross-sell and upsell by means of AI-powered assisted calls. These are some of the telecom providers can automate back-end activities. There is data entry, reconciliation, validation, streamlined customer support, cross-sell and upsell by means of AI-powered assisted sales. This is the robotic process automation. Here, the back-end activities with the help of the robotic process automation, the back-end activities. These are the back-end activities by with the help of the robotic process automation. We can have the these are the process. We can have the telecom providers can automate back-end activities. RPA applications allows, that is, communication service providers to reduce cost, enhance accuracy, improve efficiency, and deliver a better customer experience. This robotic process automation will be helping the back-end activities, but it is used to have the communication service provider allow the communication service provider to reduce cost, enhance accuracy, improve efficiency, and deliver better customer experience. And the next one is modernization of telecom legacy system. Here the legacy systems are outdated applications that can no longer keep up their objectives and run effectively. And we are going to replace some of the outdated inefficient systems with more effective based AI application. Here, modernization of telecom legacy system will replace the outdated one, and by having the new one, just a modern, current, efficient one, we are going to replace the outdated inefficient system. Here, we are going to replace the outdated inefficient system with the more effective AI based application will help telecommunications companies optimize workflow and maximize profit. The next one is AI business cases in the telecommunication industries. Here, this images shows some of the AI business cases, artificial intelligence business cases in the telecommunication industries. So here the first one is capture data, reduce cost, manipulation application, enhance accuracy, improve efficiency, perform cross-sell and upsell, data engine, deliver a better customer experience, automated back-end activities, validation, streamlined customer support. These are some of the AI business cases which will be very useful in the telecommunication industries. Here, now we are going to see about some of the AIs which are used with the current modernization legacy system. Here, the first one is Telia. Telia company is the 5th largest telecom operator in Europe with more than 20,000 employees and over 23 million subscribers. It is present in Sweden, Finland, Norway, Denmark, Lithuania, Latvia and Estonia. Applying AI and ML power technologies, Telia can identify the most valuable account based on available data, keeping the company's database always up to date. Virtual assistance to its customer service and claims in a case study that within the first month on one of the chatbots have saved its 1 million. Here, by using this AI business case in telecommunication industries, as capture data, manipulation application, improve efficiency, some of these cases in the telecommunication industries, one of the company called Telia, this has improved with the help of the AI and ML power technology. It can have the account based available data, the most valuable account based available data, keeping company's database always up to date, and with the help of the virtual assistants, its customer service and its claims. Within the first month, one of the chatbots have saved there is 1 million. We have the hero of 1 million. This is the company which is having the company's database always up to date with the help of the ML and AI. The next one is China Mobile, world's largest mobile provider with over 902 million subscribers. Here, the China Mobile Communications Corporation is leveraging AI embedded and big data technologies for fraud reduction. It is one of the new, they are introducing the new product for the fraud reduction, big data technologies and AI embedded. Introduce a new product, it is big data based anti-fraud system. With the help of the AI, they are introduced that this big data based anti-fraud system. With this anti-fraud system, they can forward the fraud reduction, and this is the world's largest mobile provider with 902 million subscribers. Here they have the T&M to be able to detect fraudulent activity, which is the fraudulent activity, and you are going to distinguish the original one, distinguish it from the normal calls and intercept spam text or calls. This T&M able to detect the fraudulent activity, and you are going to have the difference between the normal calls and the fraudulent calls, and intercept the spam text or calls. This T&M is used in the China Mobile. The next one is Vodafone. Here, British multinational telecommunications conglomerate with more than 500 million customers. Improved customer service with the arrival of its virtual assistance app Toby. This Vodafone introduced one app called Toby, and this Toby is able to enhance customers' engagement and personalize the sales journey. Being a text bot, this Toby can directly answer most of customer questions, address problems, or suggest and offer more suitable products. And this Toby app can help with the help of AI. It can enhance the customer's engagement, and it can give some personalized idea about the sales journey. And it also enables operators to deliver a new and innovative service, including 5G network as a service. That is NAS, network as a service. The next one is artificial intelligence in 5G telecom. With the widespread introduction of 5G service imminent, communication and digital service providers need to face some difficult challenges. There is the first one is automation, which is crucial for deploying, managing and maintaining 5G networks. The accelerating pace of popularity of remote activities create an urgent need in terms delivering high quality, fast internet service for customers. This is the main advantage of artificial intelligence in 5G telecom. That is, the first one is automation. The second one is managing and maintaining 5G networks. The third one is remote activities creates an urgent needs in terms. The next one is delivering high quality. The last one is fast internet service for customers. The next, growing demand for 5G services and application. Consumer demand for faster and more reliable connections is needed. There is a demand in 5G services. For this demand, we are in need of consumer faster and more reliable connection. So, in order for a business and consumers to utilize 5G services, for example, in a business and consumer utilize autonomous car or remote surgeries, VR, AR enhanced events, the connection needs the 100% reliable. For example, there is a more demand in 5G services. So, for this 5G services, we are needed a 100% more reliable connection. In a business, just consumer side, we are needing autonomous car, remote surgeries, and VR, this AR enhanced events, the video or audio enhanced events. The connection needs to be 100% reliable. The 100% reliable connections will be needed. So, for this, what is the solution to have the 100% reliable connection? So, we are moving to achieve this. Operators need to monitor the network 24/7 and detect any potential issues before they happen and disturb the end users. So, for achieving the 100% reliable for this 5G networks, operators need to monitor the network for the 24/7 time. So, by monitoring 24/7, we can detect any potential issues before they can happen and disturb the end user. So, for this 24/7 monitoring, the humans cannot control such a vast and complex connections sufficiently in terms of 5G networks. So, humans cannot operate or monitor the 24/7 monitoring work. So, we are going to introduce some artificial intelligence by machine learning based solution. So, introducing an machine learning or artificial intelligence based solution is a must. To fulfill the promise of 5G network and 5G services, automated predictive, preventive and corrective maintenance, monitoring, preservation, corrective actions. These are the promises we are going to fulfill the 5G networks and 5G services. With the help of AI, we are going to fulfill these things: the automatic predictive, preventive and corrective maintenance, monitoring, preservation and corrective action. So, introducing AI in all of those fields sounds complicated and expensive. So, if we are introducing AI in these all the methods or all the improvements, thus AI in all those fields will have some complicated and expensive one. So, we are moving to just what is the main idea, just how we are going to introduce this AI, how we are going to introduce having the better solution for this one: automated predictive, preventive and corrective maintenance, monitoring, preservation, corrective action. How we are going to introduce this AI? For this section, we are going to have some devices, networks, mobile applications, geolocations, detailed customer profiles, service usage and billing data. These are some of the range of channels which is having the datas. More number of datas are going to have the more number of datas to use to the AI. Telecos are capitalizing on those opportunities by leveraging the vast amount of data collected over the years from their massive customer bases. This data is culled from a range of channels such as devices, networks, mobile applications, geolocations, detailed customer profiles, service usage and billing data. Telecos are also harnessing the power of AI to process and analyze these huge volumes of big data. For this, you are going to have utilizing AI in telecom companies allows them to extract actionable insights, provide better customer experience, improve operations, increase revenue through new products and services. Forward-thinking communication service providers have focused their AI investments on 4 main areas. So, the communication providers have focused their AI investments on 4 main areas. So, that's providing this investments to AI for these automatic, predictive, preventing, corrective maintenance, monitoring, preservation, corrective action is a complicated one, expensive one. So, these communication service providers have focused to invest some of the this investments in the AI on the 4 main areas. The first one is AI for network optimization, AI for predictive maintenance, virtual assistance for customer support, robotic process automation for telecoms. These are the main 4 categories, 4 areas which is we are going to improve in telecommunication services. So, these communication service providers have some focus on the investments in these 4 areas by giving investment in network optimization or predictive maintenance, virtual assistance or robotic process automation. This is the how now the AI will focus on these 4 topics, these four areas by the investment of communication service providers. AI for network optimization in 5G. What is network optimization? And this network optimization is nothing but here you are going to have the quality network. You are going to optimize some quality network. And you are going to just use the patterns or look of patterns are going to detect or predict some network anomalies. What do you mean by network anomalies? You are going to have the data within the particular communication range. If anything happens other than the communication range or communication the lines, that will be the data of this particular networks will be predicted. This network optimization is essential. This AI is essential for helping communication service providers building self-optimization networks, that is SONS, able to automatically optimize network quality based on traffic information by region and time zone. Artificial intelligence in the telecom industry uses advanced algorithms to look for patterns within the data, enabling telecos to both detect and predict network anomalies. Here, the communication service providers can proactively fix problems before customers are negatively impacted. So, by using the AI in the network optimization in 5G, the communication service providers can proactively fix the problems before the customers are negatively impacted. So, this network optimization with the help of the AI is important in 5G network. So, we can have the network quality, automatically optimize the network quality based on the traffic information by time and by region. What is the time zone and what is the region? There is the traffic information we having with the help of the AI. So you can automatically optimize the network quality. So you can fix the problems before the customers are negatively impacted. So this network optimization in 5G with the help of the AI is most important in fixing the problems before the customers negatively impacted. So it is also called as just going to build the self-optimizing networks with the help of AI. So the communication service provider builds self-optimizing networks with the help of the AI is the essential one in 5G networks. The next one is operators investing in AI system. And now we are going to see now what are the operators? Who are the operators? They are investing in AI system and how they get some of the benefits. The first one is Zero Stacks C-Brain Cloud Management, which analyze private cloud telemetry storage and use for improved capacity planning, upgrades and general management. This is the first one, Zero Stacks. The next one is Area Networks, an AI-based network optimization solution that counts a growing number of Tier 1 telecom companies as customers. The next one is Sedana Systems NetFusion, which optimize the routing of traffic and speed delivery of 5G enabled services like AR or PM. These are some of the operators who are invested in AI system, and the different operators have different management and with different number of advantages. From the zero stack, we can have the improved capacity planning, upgrades and general management. With the help of area network, we can have Tier 1 telecom companies as a customer. With the help of Sedana Systems NetFusion, which optimizes the routing of traffic and speed delivery of 5G enabled service like AR and VR. Here the next operator is Nokia, launched its own machine learning based AVR platform, a cloud based network management solution to better manage capacity planning. It also predicts service degradation on cell sites up to 7 days in advance. With the help of the AVR platform, it can predict the service degradation on cell sites up to 7 days in advance. We can predict the service degradation. So AVR platform, which is launched by Nokia. These are some of the operators. They are having the different platforms to improve their performance. Next, AI for predictive maintenance. And what is predictive maintenance? What are the predictions we are making? And here, AI-driven predictive analytics are helping telecoms provide better services by utilizing data, sophisticated algorithms, machine learning techniques to predict future risks based on historical data. Operators can use data-driven insights to monitor states of equipment and anticipate failure based on pattern. Here you are going to have the predictive maintenance. What is the data they are utilizing? What are the algorithms we are having? The machine learning techniques to predict future results based on historical data. Here the operators can use data-driven insights to monitor the state of equipment. Implementing AI in telecom also allows the communication service providers to proactively fix problems with communication hardware, such as thus by implementing AI in communication, this telecom system, the communication service providers can have proactively fixed problems with some hardware. The hardware are cell towers, power lines, data centers, servers, and even set-top boxes in customer homes. These are some of the hardwares. We can fix the problem proactively. That is given by this communication service provider with the help of the AI. Here, network automation and intelligence will enable better root cause analysis and prediction of issues. Here, what is the main cause? What is the main cause of the particular cell tower problem, or particular power line problem, or particular data center service problem, or set-top boxes in the customer homes? The root cause can be analyzed by the network automation and the intelligence by implementing the AI in the telecom system. So the communication service providers can give can fix the problems proactively by using this network automation and intelligence prediction. So we can find out the particular root cause analysis. The next one is virtual assistance for customer support. And what is the main virtual assistant for customer support? Here the massive number of support requests. Just for the customers, if we need any requests, they can, by use of this virtual assistance, we can have the customer support. The next, for installation, any more number of installation, we can have this virtual assistance for setup or troubleshooting and maintenance, which offer overall customer service centers. Here, for example, Vodafone implemented Texas AI in telecom technology and saw a 68% of improvement in customer satisfaction. Here, the Vodafone implemented the virtual assistance called Texas AI in telecom. So, with the help of this Texas AI, most of the customer review called a 68% of improvement in customer satisfaction. And the Nokia's virtual assistant Mica suggests a solution to network issues, leading to 20 to 40% improvement to its first time resolution date. These are some of the examples. These two are the examples for the virtual assistant for customer support. With the help of the virtual assistants for customer support, the communication service providers can improve in their customer satisfaction process. Yeah, the next one, voice assistants just Telefonica's Aura are designed to reduce customer service costs generated by phone inquiries. This Telefonica's Aura, for this it is how it is designed as it is used to reduce the customer service cost generated by phone inquiries. By the help of with the help of the voice assistants, we can reduce the service cost. The next one is Comcast has also introduced a voice remote that allows customers to interact with their Comcast system through natural speech. This is one of the voice remote system. The next one is AI in the telecom include Dish network partnerships with Amazon's Alexa. This with the help of this voice assistants, we can have some more customer satisfaction. AI in the telecom market include Dish networks partnerships with Amazon's Alexa. These are some of the examples of virtual assistants which helps in improving the customer satisfaction. The next one is robotic process automation for telecoms. We have seen that the first one is network optimization. The next one is how they are predicting and analyzing. The third one is virtual assistant, and the fourth one is a robotic process automation. These four are the main areas coming under the telecommunications industries. The investment, these communication service providers have analyzed a lot of improvements by using this AI, but the investment in different areas will lead to some complexity and some expensive. So to avoid this complexity and expensive, they are choosing the four areas. The first one is network optimization, the second one is prediction, third one is virtual assistant, and the fourth one is robotic process automation for telecoms. Here, the communication service provider have vast number of customers engaged in millions of daily transactions, each susceptible to a human error. In every transaction or some of the millions of customers engaged in a transaction, if we are interfere with the human, there will be some human error there. So to avoid this back end side, we can avoid this back end side error with the help of this robotic process automation. This robotic process automation is a form of business process automation technology based on AI, and this RPA frees up this communication service provider staff for higher value added work by streamlining the execution for complex, labor intensive and time consuming process such as billing, data entry, workforce management and order fulfillment. These are some of the areas which is previously seen by previously having some human errors. So to avoid this human errors in building, data entry, workforce management and order fulfillment, we can use this RPA, this robotic process automation, to have the better performance, to have the better customer satisfaction, the building, data entry, workforce management and order fulfillment. The next one, according to the Statista, the RPA market, that is robotics process automation market, is forecast to grow 13 billion USD by 2030. That is the certificate, the statistic we have this. The RPA market is forecast to grow to 13 billion USD by 2030. With RPA achieving almost universal adoption within the next 5 years. So, telecom, media and tech companies expect cognitive computing to substantially transform their companies within the next few years. With the help of the four areas, that is network optimization, predictive and analyzing, then the third one is virtual assistant, and the fourth one is RPA, that is a robotic process automation. We can have the substantial transform for the next few years. The future of AI in the telecom industries. What is the future of AI in the telecom industries? In the telecom industries, the main we are having the AI will be used in machine learning, this deep learning, and the next one is natural language processing. These are the main three segments which comes under the AI in the telecom industries. And the future of AI in the telecom industries is AI in the telecom market is increasingly helping CSPs managers, this communication service providers manage, optimize and maintain not only infrastructure but also customer support operations. Now with the help of the AI, we can have the virtual assistants, and this virtual assistants can improve the customer satisfaction by 68%, which is statistically revenue by Vodafone. There's a customer support, customer certifications included in Vodafone. This is the one of the AI telecom just set up. And then with the help of the network optimization, predictive maintenance and virtual assistance and RPA are all examples of telecom AI use cases where the technology has helped deliver enhanced customer satisfaction. The CS is customer satisfaction and added value for enterprise. As a big data tools and applications become more available and sophisticated, the future of AI in the telecom industries will continue to develop. Employing AI in telecom companies can expect to continue accelerating growth in this highly competitive space. As with the help of network optimization, predictive maintenance, virtual assistance and RPA, can have some big data tools and applications becomes more available and sophisticated. This is the future of AI in telecom industries will continue to develop. With just by employing this telecom companies, we can have the growth in the highly competitive. It's not in a low level or in a middle level. We can have the competitive space in a high level. So, the conclusion of this artificial intelligence in telecom and communication side is to overcome the challenges in the telecommunication side. We can use this artificial intelligence by means of machine learning or deep learning algorithm or the natural language processing. With the help of these three segments, we can divide these three segments, and we are going to concentrate with these three segments in the 4 areas: network optimization, predictive maintenance, virtual assistance and RPA. All are examples. These are all the examples of telecom as artificial intelligence. So, by using this artificial intelligence in communication, this engineering, we can have a telecommunication side. We can increase the more sophisticated future of AI in the telecommunication.